Hello, hello mga friendships. Good morning. Grabe. I think matatapos na, or today is November 7, so the first week of November is finished na, guys. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Malapit na talaga magpasko. And I could hear a lot of mga, Christmas songs all over. Like if you go to the mall or to the store. Ayan, grabe. So today, I'm at home. And I think it's almost 2 weeks na. Not yet kasi Thursday yun. Magto 2 weeks na. Konti na lang. Today is just 2 days na lang para mag 2 weeks na. Since I removed my tooth. It's not me na nag-remove ng tooth, guys. I had my tooth removed. So, hopefully, I could do something. I'm planning to do a project. Yeah. But, I'm not gonna do it up until yung matatapos na yung second week ko na after ng removal ng tooth ko. Kasi sabi ni Rookie, I am not allowed to lift anything heavy. So, yeah. I am trying not to lift anything heavy. So, yun. So, I'm planning to do a project here sa balay. Dito sa bahay. Ayan. Ang ingay ng dogs. And I will be having another dentist appointment not later than basta third week yata sa November. I forgot. Tatawag ako ulit if I forgot when is my next appointment kasi I need to do some cleaning and he will check if I need something na to fill kasi parang may something pa dito sa ends ng ipin ko yung sa may wisdom tooth. Ayan. So, I haven't eaten breakfast yet. It's already 12. I'm doing intermittent fasting again. But, it's nothing serious kasi, guys. Kasi, when I was in Japan for the longest time, yan na talaga yung style ko ng pagkain. But, I did not know the term yet noon kung yung style or timing or scheduling ng pagkain. Ano ba? So, yun. So, I'm doing intermittent fasting or, I don't know how do you call it. But if you are interested to do intermittent fasting, I have a YouTube channel to recommend. I'm gonna put it in the description box in case you're interested because I cannot explain to you further what is intermittent fasting and better go to that channel for you to better understand if you are interested in doing or trying the intermittent fasting. So, ayan, we're planning today, labas tayo, guys. We are, kasi ang ingay ng mga dogs, I am planning to cut Rookie's hair today and I'm going to put or apply oil, and also mother wants her hair to be cut and dyed kasi ang haba na ng niya nung tawag yan, what's it called, yung gray hairs niya ang haba na, so we are planning to do that today. Hopefully mag-okay, but I am also planning to film today. I don't know, but yun yung agenda. So bababa na muna ako kasi I wanted to eat na, and I'm gonna see you later. Ayan, yung hair. Yeah, there.
November 11, only dahil sa November 11 or 11/11, magkakanap na, guys. Ito na. The biggest one-day sale ng Lazada kung saan makakakuha sila ng deals and discount.
Next customer, yeah. Narayang ay lihok dia.
Pero masayahin si tao. Yung energy mo.
Ayun na.
Ay, siya ba? Ay, saba. Mana? So, tapos na kami guys. Grabe. Ang shiny. Grabe, ang shiny ng face ko. I'm so happy na, nag-improve na yung look ng face ko, guys. Tingnan niyo yung forehead ko, di ba? It's getting better. And yan, tapos na kami. Grabe, ang liwanag dito. I cut mother's hair, tapos kay Rookie din, and then I also colored mother's hair kasi yun nga, yung gray hairs niya is already very long and nakapagsaing na din ako. At nagluluto din ako nito, yung asim bonus na quick oats. Tapos ayan na yung water ko, and then yun nga, I already finished saing. Grabe, I really like the Olay natural white pinkish fairness kasi look at my face, guys. It looks so healthy, di ba? Although I have some mga spots dito kasi for like ilang days, every day kami kumakain ng ice cream. Grabe, kaya eto yung resulta ng ice cream. Tapos pawala naman siya na yung mga pimples ko kasi kailan pa ba yun? Yung last na kain ng ice cream namin yata, yung Sunday ba yun? Yeah. Tapos, wala na, diba? Marks na lang to. Oh, diba? Bongga yung Olay! I really like it kasi yung glowing, yung skin. Wala akong nilagay, wala akong powder. Yun lang talaga yung ginamit ko kasi nandito lang ako sa bahay. Tapos, nag-eyebrows lang ako ng konti. But as you can see, healthy na healthy looking yung skin natin. Grabe, bongga na bongga. So, ayan na yung hair ni Mother. Let's check. Oh, diba? Wala nang uban. Uy, wala man ni mo gikaan diri. Tarong uga ng
Sunday?
may naiwan pa na color.
Malagdi.
Matatanggal din yan pag ligo niya. Kasi hindi siya naligo. Ayan. No more trace of gores. Biana, imuhang haircut. Ang gusto daw niya, Leia sa longgaw, char. Ayaw, naghikap ba? Ayaw, lagi ka na, talikod.
Wala naman.
Oh, yan. Kadoon. Yan. Yeah. So, here's my oatmeal. Yung nilagay ko is lang, brown sugar. Kasi I like brown sugar. Pero konti lang naman, guys. Kain tayo. Oo.